It is really important that you start doing little things. Speak with your parents, speak with your grandparents, find somebody to help you start building credit in high school and college. So that way, when you go out on your own and you're wanting to get your first car, or you need to buy something even for school, maybe it's a computer, and you need to finance something, it is great to have good credit. You're going to get better rates. You're going to be able to have a larger purchasing power by having a good credit score. Because the tips in here are going to help you build that credit. They're going to help you raise that score. Paying your bills on time is one excellent way to improve your credit score. Getting those lines of credit down to only 3 or less. You can put a utility in your name and pay that bill on a regular basis. It could be something small, like even a trash bill. Anything that you're paying over time starts to build credit. There are also wonderful credit card builder programs that a lot of banks have for students and for young adults that help build credit. You can tie them to a savings account, which gives you are pretty much backing your buying power. So if I want a credit card with a $500 limit, I'm going to need $500 in savings, and then that money is going to be put onto a credit card, and it's going to kind of hold that as collateral. So it's going to hold it. It's going to be like almost like a barter system, where you're going to give them $500 to kind of put to the side to be there for your credit card limit of $500. You're still going to be able to charge, and you're still going to owe that credit card. They're not going to pull it from the money that's set aside. So it's important that you pay your credit card off every month, and if you can't, stop spending. All right, here's some tips to raise your credit score. Number 1, pay off the balances. The cards with the lowest balances you want to pay off first. You're going to use that snowball debt plan that we covered in session 4. 2, close any extra credit lines. If you have more than 3 credit cards open, you need to get those closed. 3, keep your monthly revolving balances below the 20%. So whatever's being carried over, or it's more than just what's carried over. It's what I spend on a regular basis. If I spend $500 on my credit card every single month, my credit limit has to be 5 times that. So I have to have a credit limit of $2,500. Or I have to cut my spending, or I got to put my spending between multiple cards. Okay, and that is a trick that people will do. They'll have 3 cards, and they'll spend the first 10 days on one card, the next 10 days on the second card, and the final 10 days of the month on the third card. Some will do certain bills are on certain cards so that they're never going over that 20% of that total credit limit. Pay your bills on time. Don't be late. Don't be a day late. Don't be late. Set calendar reminders. Set up auto payments. Do what you need to do to pay your bills on time. Avoid hard or soft credit pulls. Avoid credit pulls completely unless you have to do it for some reason. You really want a credit card, you don't have one, you need it because you're going to go on vacation, you've got to rent a car. Okay? You've got to buy an airplane ticket. Choose your card wisely and then apply for it. Okay? Do not just randomly apply for things. When we looked at those tips, what do you need to do to raise your credit score? Write down any action steps that you need to do today to either start building credit or to get your credit back on track. If I didn't explain something clear enough, please reach out. I can do a follow-up video. I can chat with you. I would love to help. Seek others that will push you and positively impact your life. As one, we can do so much. But if we have two or more and we work together, we are going to accomplish 10 times, 100 times what we could on our own. So reach out. Reach out to those around you. Seek others to help. Ask questions. I hope that all that you learned positively impacts your life. Don't forget to leave me any comments, any questions, and reach out. I am always available. I hope you have a great day.